a place where children meet to work imagination, to sing and move our feet. We're hopping, skipping, jumping, and working with our hands. We're shaking our maracas, 'cause we're in Rocket Land. So rock it, rock it, rock it, let's rock it. Come on, let's rock it, rock it, rock it, yeah, rock it. Welcome everybody in Rocket Land.
Today, we are making a guitar out of a box. Now, you could do a cereal box. I have chose a Teddy Graham box today. And your mommies and daddies will need help. You're a grown-up. I use something round to set here to trace, and I've cut a circle out of my box. That's going to be my sound hole for my guitar. The circle, I cut it in half, and then I cut one small little strip off of my circle. You can see how that is. And I'm going to take this small strip, I'm folding it in thirds like that, and I'm going to tape this just right here at the bottom of my sound hole. This just gives a little bit of room for the strings, our rubber bands, to stick up. Then my little half circle, I'm putting right on top of this, and I'm going to tape it down. You also can use glue, like if you have a glue stick at home and you don't have any tape. Glue sticks work very nice too. It just takes a little longer because you have to wait for them to get done. Now, any kind of rubber bands you have, you can just use a couple. I have several. If you use ones that are different sizes, they will make slightly different sounds. And all I'm doing is that I'm just going to put my rubber band right around here, and it's going to go over the end and then over my little base there. Mommies and daddies can help you, but I'd really like for you to do some of these things at home yourself. Sometimes you can have an older brother or sister, sometimes that can help you do some things. I was lucky and I had two older sisters that did lots of fun things with me. So I'm going to use 3 rubber bands for my guitar today. You can hear how it sounds. But I don't want these to move around too much. So I'm going to go ahead and take a nice big piece of tape, and I'm just going to tape right over the ends of those rubber bands, and that will keep them in place when I'm playing. Can you hear it? Is that fun? So if you'd like to run off, pause your video and run off so that you can make a box guitar to play with me. We're going to do a song called Learning Rocks when you get back. So go ahead and take a pause so you can make your guitar or grab another instrument at home. Now, if you've been following our videos, this is our 4th video. We have already made some handshakers. We made some ribbon ones that you can dance with, and we also made some tambourines. So if you have family members playing around, this would be a good time to grab those other instruments, and you can have a little band for our Learning Rock song. I'll see you guys in just a moment.